Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to patch your Epson Workforce Pro WF-3720 chipless. Because we can use INKCHIP.net for this. Because INKCHIP gets a solution for chipless printing. INKCHIP provides the best way to update printers with chipless firmware. You can update our Epson printer with the INKCHIP.net chipless solution and set ourselves free from worrying about chips. All we need for printing is just keeps us ink level up with that process here. INKCHIP updating our list of supporting adding chipless solutions for the all-new models out there. And of course, today we are checking this with the Workforce Pro series WF-3720 printer. Let's start with that. First step is we are going to see what's going on with the prices. The prices here, you can find your printer and you see what it will be cost. 1 key or maybe 5 keys, because that can be cheaper, of course. Then we go to a software. That means we need an app for that. We go to software and we are searching again our printer in the area there. And if we found our printer, we first start with the firmware download. After we completed the download, we can run the proc. If we run the proc, we can first, of course, get an RAR, and we have to unpack this first. Then we have an exe file, and this is the INKCHIP.net firmware. We are in the INKCHIP.net firmware, and we agree the license, and of course, we are going to select our printer. And the printer is connected with our computer via a USB cable. That means there's a printer USB cable, and this printer USB cable we get into the printer on the back side into the USB printer slot. After this, of course, we are going to boot the printer and we are enter into the app. If we are in the app, we are start for searching the printer, and after this, of course, we start the update. Then the update will be in process. After this job's done, we can go to the next step. After the firmware is flashed, we are ready for the next step. We go back on INKCHIP.net and go, and now we download the activation software. The activation software, we have to prove this against our Windows system, for example, that it is an valid app. Of course, we can then download this to our computer system. And if we have this, in the, we will to install it too, of course, and we start the app. If we started the app, we can see our printers already connected, okay? And then we are going to generate a serial and an ID code for the printer. This is the unique printer ID code which this tool can be generated. With this information, we can make activate online. That means we will get by INKCHIP.net support, for example, an input and SM. This is the key for it. And then we use this key to flash our printer. After a couple of seconds, the printer will be reboot and it will be unleashed. Now we are ready for chipless printing, and we can see all time and all day long the ink is software based, of course, in a full status. Of course, you have to look now as that you enter the ink continuously into the cartridge system again by using an additional ink appliance and something else. But now you're chipless on the go with your printer using INKCHIP.net for that. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give a positive feedback. I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.